Bad news for Xiaomi users who are still stuck on their old phone, because Google is pulling back the Chrome updates from dozens of its popular models. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Starting August 5th, 2025, Chrome will launch version 139, but if your Xiaomi phone is still running Android 8.0 Oreo or Android 9.0 Pie, you won't be getting it. In fact, Chrome 138 will be your last stop. After that, Google Chrome will no longer update on these devices, which means no new features, no performance boosts, and most importantly, no security patches. The announcement came by Ellen T, a Chrome support manager who confirmed on the forum that the browser's officially ending support for Android 8 and 9. This affects a significant chunk of Xiaomi users globally, because apparently around 10% of them are still using these older versions. Popular models on the chopping block include Xiaomi Mi 5, 5S, 6, 6X, Redmi Note 4, 5, 6 Pro, Redmi 4, 4X, 5, 5A, 6, 6A, Mi Mix 2, Mix 3 5G, Mi A1, Mi Max, Max 2, Mi Note 3, and many more from 2016 to 2018. And if you think Chrome 138 will still work, it'll be frozen in time. This sparks a major concern for anyone relying on the browser for secure web browsing. If upgrading your device isn't in the cards just yet, Google recommends switching to alternative browsers like Firefox, Opera, Edge, or Samsung Internet, which may still support Android 8 and now, at least for now. So if you're using one of these legacy Xiaomi models, it's time to update your device. Did you find this video helpful? Comment down your opinion and hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech-related stuff.